Hi and welcome to this episode of Simutrans. Today we finish off the dual track to the power plant and we take a look what will happen when we actually start delivering the cargo. We now look at the line to this power plant, and if you take a look here, there is a lot of train sitting and waiting. One here, and two here. And we don't make a lot of money because of this waiting. So the next step is to build dual track to this power plant. But I still don't get so much money, so we take it piece by piece. So I will start with building dual track here. There it's cheaper. I have now built the track and placed some of the signal, but I will let this train roll up to the station and leave the station, and after that place the new signal. So the following train rolling in here. And after that I will decide what I should do with the embankment, because I have two places. I have now built the embankment and lay the track. So what I'm waiting for is a possibility to connect the new track and start placing the signal. But I think I will get the chance to connect this track when this train have entered its box down here. So that is the game plan now. Alright, the new dual track is connected here and some of the signal are in place. So now is this part. We only wait for this train to move out of the way so we can connect the track here. The dual track is almost finished. It's only the signal system, but I start running low on money, so I need to let the time roll so I get more money to build the last signal. The dual track to the power plant is now finished. All signal are in place. So now it's up to see if this supply chain give enough coal to the power plant. We have already seen an increase previous month because of the dual track. So can they deliver enough coal for this power plant? That is what I should do next, because this system on an individual train basis cannot deliver as much, because they're doing a circular motion here in the station, but the overall efficiency of the system is better than the old one. So I need to recalculate it how many trains I need. So I will simply run this system for a couple of months and see how much they actually deliver. Alright, I have now made the calculation and I need one more train. So I simply build that train, and after that we will see some effect in the economy. If we now take a look on the economy, we see that the cash flow is much better this year than previous year. We earn more money this year because it is only 4th of July, but with nearly 1 million in earning. And one of the reasons is that now when we have enough train and enough truck, the cargo are actually delivered. And that means increase in earning per ton. So having cargo sitting and waiting out on the track in waiting position or in the station cost us money. So the game here is to get the cargo rolling to its destination as fast as possible with a suitable amount of vehicle. It costs money to own station, trucks and vehicle. That is operation cost. That is something you need to take in consideration when you're building stuff. Because you need always money on your bank account for your expending each month. So don't drive the company bankrupt by building too much. Remember the operation cost. I have built the dual track to the other power plant and calculated how many new train I need. I need 2 new train. But I want to show you something because there is one piece missing in this system. And that will have effect now when I send out the train. We should follow this train. Yes, it's taking the whole road down to the power plant instead of going to the station. That is not a suitable behavior because as you see it costs us money. The problem you can find here. This crossing are designed to take train from this direction. It's not designed for train coming this way from the depot. So we need one more link in this system to have a suitable behavior. We need an overpass. I have now built that overpass I talked about, and now the system works as we want. So now the train take this bridge and much shorter distance. You normally place this type of overpass around the station. We don't need an overpass here because this crossing allows traffic to you doing a U-turn here. And we also have the depot placed here. Notice also that the overpassing should not have any signal because it should allow traffic in both directions. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. We cannot talk about signal without talking about crossing. So the next episode are about different type of crossing in train system. And we also take a look on the rest of the railroad menu.